Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a cloudy day in Scotland. So as you saw in the last video, there's quite a few things to fix in this car. So today, we're not going to mess around, we're just going to crack on. And the very first thing that we're going to fix is all of this mess, because it just looks horrendous. So with that, let's crack on, knock this out of the park. That, ladies and gentlemen, looks a lot better already. So we fixed the carpet that was hanging out, we fixed this bit here, fixed all the wiring, put all that back in place, and it's actually starting to look like a car again. So with that, let's get this car up in the air, we'll give it a service, we'll check to see whether it's got a full exhaust system, aftermarket suspension and all that jazz, and we'll also give that induction kit a clean, because it is absolutely disgusting. So for anybody new to the channel, these are my quick jack ramps. They are super helpful. Genuinely probably one of the best things I ever bought for the garage. Because obviously I do all this work on these cars on my own. And so these ensure that the car doesn't fall over on me. And no, quick jacks haven't paid me to say that, but I would love it if they sponsored the channel. Anyway, with that, let's crack on, get this bad boy serviced. while we're underneath the car, it's looking pretty clean under here. I'm quite impressed. But it's definitely got a cap back, that's for sure. And by the looks of it, it's running a decap pipe as well. And unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't have coilovers. They've put the original suspension back in. But that's no big deal, because the original suspension on the RS is still pretty good. So with that, let's get the induction kit back in, and let's give this engine bay a detail, because it really needs one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that looks way better than it did before. Anyway, with that, guys and girls, that's going to be the end of this week's video. So in next week's video, first thing we're going to do is we'll machine polish the roof, because hopefully the new roof mouldings will have arrived. So we want to get the roof machine polished, then we'll fit the new roof mouldings, and the new clips for the front bumper should be here, so we'll attach all that up as well. We'll fit the new battery, we'll get some fuel for it, because it's not got any fuel in it just now, and then we'll fire it up and give it a few rips. See how it sounds, along with 1,000,001 other things that this car still needs done to it. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.